Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can get Disney Plus on your LG TV. So first of all, you take your remote control and you need to locate this home button. And after that you need to click on it, just like so. And it takes you to your home page, which can be slightly different depending on the model of your LG TV. But anyway, you will need to find the app icon on your LG TV. You have to locate it and then open it. So it can take some time. Usually it takes several seconds, but depending on your model, how new your model is, can take a bit longer. So I pretty much guarantee you that if you go to apps on your original, it's very important, it should be original LG TV. If you go to your app settings and scroll slightly down to premium, you'll find Disney Plus just here. And all you need to do is to press OK and open it. And then you will access your LG TV. But sometimes, as you can see, I'm not using Disney Plus very often, so you will need to update it. So just like so, you just press OK, and it asks you if you really want to update this application. And you press yes. And just like so, it starts updating the app, and after it finishes, you can open it and start using your Disney Plus. So if you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.